Hi everyone, this tutorial will quickly show you how to embed rubrics in your course. Before beginning, be sure to go to the Team shell and download the embedded rubric file. Once you have done that and saved it to your computer, log into your current course, select Course Tools, and scroll down to Rubrics. You will see a rubric here already for the final paper, but I'm using an old course to demonstrate. The next thing you will do is select Import Rubric and locate the file you downloaded. It is a zip file. Select Open and Submit. When you see all this gibberish, you know you are done, and select OK. Now you will see you've imported the journal rubric and the discussion board rubric all at once. Once you have done this, you now need to update the assignments that correlate with these rubrics. To do so, simply go to your Grade Center, select the assignment, so all of the discussions, and select Edit Column Information. Simply scroll about halfway down the page to Add Rubric, select Rubric. You'll then pick the discussion board for the discussions and hit Submit. It will say click OK to assign the rubric's maximum points as the possible points. You're going to want to select OK here, but you're going to see that it changed the 40 points to 100, and you need to change that back to the original point value of 40 for the discussion and 50 for the journal. Once you've done that, the rubric is here, but you need to go over here to Show Rubric to Students and select Yes with rubric scores. Once you've done that, simply hit Submit, and the rubric is now attached. You have to do that for each discussion and the journal. Here's the journal, Edit Column Information. Again, scroll about halfway down your page. You will select Add Rubric, select Rubric. This time you'll want to pick the blogs and journal. Hit Submit. Again, it's going to say click OK to assign the rubric point value, and here you'll see it starts at 50. You hit OK, it goes to 100, and you need to put it back to the 50. Lastly, over here, change this to Yes with rubric and hit Submit. Once you have done all of that for the journal and all of the discussions, you are now able to use the embedded rubric when you do your grading. Head on over to the other video on how to use an embedded rubric when grading for more information.